A pay frequency facilitates how often you pay your employees and sets out the start and end dates of the pay period. In Xero, you need at least one pay frequency to be set up before you can post a pay run. Xero allows you to have more than one pay frequency in case you have different pay cycles for different employee groups. For example, if you pay some employees weekly and others monthly. Let's take a look at how to add a pay frequency in Xero. First, select the Payroll tab from the Xero dashboard and choose Payroll Settings. Then, select the Pay Frequencies tab. First, click Add and select the payment frequency from the available list. For this example, we'll choose monthly. Next, enter the frequency's name. It's good practice to enter a unique name for each frequency. For example, if you had 3 frequencies all with the same name, it might get a bit confusing assigning the correct frequency to the right employee. So we'll name this one Monthly Directors. Moving on, select the start date of the pay period. The start date is the first day that staff will be able to accrue hours against this pay frequency. If you're moving from another payroll system, it's essential to ensure that the start date immediately follows the end of the last pay period in your previous system. For this monthly frequency, let's say our old system ended on the 31st of October. So I'll set this as the 1st of November. Then select the date of your first payment. This date must be after the start date you entered in the previous field. Today, we'll choose the final Friday of the month, which in this case is the 28th of November. If you plan to use multiple pay frequencies, it might be a good idea to check this box for your most commonly used pay frequency. Checking this box will set it as the default, automatically assigning all new staff. For today's example, I'll leave it unticked. Once you've completed all the fields, click Add. Repeat the process for each pay frequency your business needs. Some businesses use just one and some use a handful. It's totally up to you. And lastly, one top tip from me. If you're nervous to get started and you want to practice before changing your Xero settings, why not try setting one up in the demo company first?